Have you ever found the perfect investment property at a bargain price, only to realize that traditional banks refuse to finance it because the house is in poor condition? This is the most common hurdle for house flippers, but the solution lies in a specialized product called a fix and flip loan, also known as a bridge loan. Unlike a standard mortgage that looks at the property's current value, a fix and flip loan is based on the after repair value, or ARV. This means lenders look at what the house will be worth once you finish the renovations, not what it looks like today. The biggest advantage is that these loans often cover up to 85% of the purchase price and, crucially, 100% of your renovation costs. This allows you to preserve your own capital for other projects while leveraging the lender's money to force appreciation on the asset. These are short-term, interest-only loans designed specifically for speed, often closing in as little as 2 weeks so you can secure the deal before your competition does. If you are ready to fund your next renovation project, visit the link in the description to get a quote today.